In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to meal plan with Google Sheets on desktop. Open your desktop browser and head to Google Sheets. Start a new blank spreadsheet so you're working with a clean slate. Give it a simple name you'll recognize later, like Weekly Meal Plan, so it's easy to find next time you log in. Set up your columns to keep everything tidy. In the first row, type day, meal, recipe, and notes. These four headers will be your backbone. Day tells you where you are in the week. Meal is what you're planning to eat. Recipe is where you link or describe how to make it. Notes is perfect for reminders like prep the night before or use leftovers. If the text feels cramped, widen the columns by dragging the borders at the top. Freezing the header row can also help your titles stay visible as you scroll. Fill the day column with the days of the week in order. You can type Monday through Sunday or whatever start day fits your routine. If you're planning multiple meals per day, add more rows for each day and repeat the day name so each row represents a single meal. Now start entering meals for each day in the meal column. Keep it simple and realistic. Think about what you already have in the fridge and your schedule for busy nights. In the recipe column, paste a link to a recipe you trust, or jot a quick summary like grilled chicken with steamed veggies. Use the notes column for quick cues, such as defrost reminders, substitutions, or time estimates. Make your plan easier to scan with colors or drop-downs. For colors, use fill colors to highlight themes like meatless meals, quick dinners, or family favorites. If you want a consistent system, right-click the cells in the meal or recipe column and apply conditional formatting so certain words trigger specific colors. For drop-downs, select cells in the meal column, choose Data, then Data Validation, and create a list such as breakfast, lunch, dinner, or quick, balanced, and treat. This helps you stay consistent and speeds up planning in future weeks. Set a weekly rhythm to update your sheet and plan ahead. Pick a regular time, review what worked, and adjust. You can duplicate last week's rows, then swap in new meals while keeping the structure. If your plans change midweek, just edit the cells. This plan is meant to be flexible. Over time, your sheet will become a personal database of go-to meals and notes, making each week faster and easier to plan.